Hey bro, want this?
Well, if it isn't Puss in Boots himself, you for a long time. Sign right there.
Let's start. Firstly, have your clips ready. And mark your beats. Sync your clips to this beats. And fade out your song at end. Now let's move on to zooms. Put a keyframe at start and zoom in at end. Now just repeat. Go on Effects and Chrome Blur. Copy my settings. Go on Effects and Gothic. Copy my settings again. Now add graphs to your zoom-ins. Copy my graph.
Purchase your tracks today.
Select your font and type your text.
Purchase your tracks today.
Go to Animation and Fade in. And fade out.
Purchase your tracks today.
And export. Go to Node Video and add glow. Export and go back to CapCut. Add IT as overlay and filter. Now add this fire overlay, link in
Purchase
desk.
your tracks today.
Adjust IT to your liking.